can you see some number under it? Yes. It is 10,000, right? Okay. So that is the breaking capacity of this breaker. You understand? What it means is that under fault, the amount of current that this breaker can take is this. We call it PFC. This one, 10,000. So PFC simply means a short circuit or a fault. So when neutral and live comes together, that's a short circuit, right? Yes. The amount of current that it generates at that moment is here. The reason why the thing they bend when the short circuit is because it generates more at the time. You understand? So if this has ever happened to you before, if you're holding two cables together and then the short circuit, the cable becomes hot instantly. The one in your hand. That's it. So this breaker, those who manufacture this breaker are saying that the prospective fault current that this breaker can take is 10,000. So you see the breakers, the job, we are not just doing it. There are other technical things, how to say, involved. Like when you go to China. So what is the breaking capacity? It's 10. So 10,000, you should just write 10. And the cable size is what? 2.5. 2.5. The next one is what? What is it? 32. It's 32. Yes. What is the cable size? 4 mm. Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. The next one is what? 32. 32. What's the breaker? The cable size? 4. And what are they protecting? Kitchen socket. Is the 32 for the kitchen socket?
Yes, please.
Why?
Because of the heating elements, the water heater.
No.
We use water heater.
No, the third breaker is 32 amps. And the cable is 4 mm. Why? And you said it's for sockets?
Yes. We use heating elements over there. For the dispenser. We have this machine.
So the machine is plugged into a socket, right? Yes. What is the rating of the socket?
It's a 13 amp socket.
Okay, so if the socket that they are going to plug the thing onto is 13 amps, why did they say we should put it on 13? Because I see they've given you a booklet. Did he confine with this? We are just sharing thoughts, okay?
It confines with this one.
Okay.
Due to what they use, that is why we
put 32. So they asked you to put 32
or 20.
Or 20. What do you think?